Hello and welcome to Top and Best in Everything. While free is tempting, it's always limited when it comes to website hosting. With that in mind, we have handpicked the best free website hosting sites that you can use to get started. These hosting sites are 100% free for you to use. If you're serious about your website, we strongly recommend you to watch our last video about hosting. Link will be in the description. Before we start the video, please subscribe to our channel. It helps us to grow and motivate us to bring more amazing content. With that said, here are the best free hosting companies in the world. 1. WordPress.com. We're often confused with the open source WordPress software, is a for-profit implementation of the open source software that you find at WordPress.org. WordPress.com simplifies the process of creating a WordPress site, letting you launch your site by simply registering for a WordPress.com account. However, it also doesn't give you access to the full WordPress software, which means you're limited in what you can do. Standout features of WordPress.com are that it is easy, user-friendly setup process. Custom WordPress.com dashboard. Unlimited bandwidth. 3 GB of storage space. Choose from hundreds of free WordPress themes, which makes it easy to create a custom web design. Free SSL certificate. WordPress.com is a great option for non-technical users who don't need the ability to install their own themes and plugins. For example, freelancers who simply need a place to publish their writing portfolios so they can attract writing clients would likely appreciate WordPress.com's simplicity, though they'd probably be better off using Medium to house their writing samples. However, it's not a good option for technical users because you don't get server access and it's a stripped-down version of WordPress that doesn't give you much flexibility. 2. Wix. Wix is another fully hosted website builder that offers free website hosting. Like most free hosting services, it is supported by displaying ads and Wix.com branding on your free website. You can get rid of it by upgrading to their paid plans. The free plan will give you a Wix.com subdomain, access to website templates, 500 megabytes of storage and 500 megabytes of bandwidth. 3. Weebly. Weebly is another popular free website builder that you can use. It comes with an intuitive drag-and-drop builder and ready-made templates to create a website. Their free plan includes a Weebly subdomain, 500 megabytes of storage, and displays Weebly ads. You can upgrade to their paid plans to get rid of ads, get more storage, and unlock features. Weebly is a good option in free hosting. I use Weebly to build landing pages. You can also collect email on free Weebly hosting site, so it provides good option if you want to create simple email capture page. 4. Godaddy website builder. Godaddy is the world's largest domain name registrar and a popular hosting company. They offer Godaddy Website Builder, which is a drag-and-drop website builder with ready-made templates. It is available as a 30-day free trial, after which you can upgrade to one of their paid plans starting from $5.99 per month. It is cheap and very easy to use. However, once your website grows, you may find Godaddy Website Builder to be quite limited in features. It is also difficult to move Godaddy Website Builder to WordPress or any other website platform. 5. Free hosting. Free WordPress hosting. Free hosting. If you thought free hosting no ads name was creative, then you're going to absolutely love the creativity and brevity of free hosting. By saving time and energy on brainstorming a name, free hosting is able to offer generous free cPanel web hosting with unlimited bandwidth. Standout features of free hosting are that it provides cPanel hosting dashboard, one-click WordPress auto-installer, 10 GB storage space, unlimited bandwidth, use your own domain name, one MySQL database and many more. 6. Freehostia. Despite the name, Freehostia, it offers both free and premium WordPress hosting. Freehostia uses load-balanced clusters to host your site and gives you generous access to your server. Standout features of Freehostia that you can host up to 5 websites. You will get SSL certificates via Let's Encrypt. It will give you 250 megabytes storage, 6 gigabytes bandwidth and many more. Pros of Freehostia that you can have up to 3 personal email accounts. You get full server access, including nice features like free Let's Encrypt SSL certificates. 7. Awardspace. Awardspace is a budget web host from Germany that's been around since 2003. With Awardspace, you'll get a free WordPress hosting plan that's suitable for up to 5,000 visits per month, as well as an easy upgrade path as your site grows, with premium hosting plans starting at just 19 cents USD per month. Standout features of Awardspace are that you can host up to 4 websites. One-click WordPress installer. Use your own domain or choose from a free dx.am domain or up to 3 free subdomains. custom hosting control panel, web-based file manager, email hosting and many more. This was our list for today. All the hosting services we have talked about are free to use or have free plans. So you can easily start building your website today. If you find our information helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. See you all in the next video. Till then, keep learning and stay safe.